Hi, I'm Jeff from RV Diagnostics. We're getting ready to pull out a Norcold refrigerator out of a 2000 Itasca Horizon. Already preliminary done some things, but then we're going to go over them for you, okay? A couple different ways you can do it. Here we go. One, you got these screws in here that hold the door in. They're flatheads. That's your pinion things. Or you can take these bolts off here. Here's the freezer door. The nylon bushings are in there. So I'm getting ready to take this one off. And if you see, right there, a little bit corroded, and right there. So I'm gonna take him off. Remember, I'm a one-man show, so I ain't got nobody video recording for me. But thank you anyway. Just Jeff from RV Diagnostics. I'm gonna put you on pause. There's a bunch of videos before this and after this on different subjects. This one's going to be on refrigerators. I'll tell you how many parts there are, and I'm going to get to work. Okay, we took that door off. That's the refrigerator door. Here's the screws I told you about. I just put them right back in there. I'm going to clean this one up, but when I get ready to put it back together, I put them back in there, so I ain't got to go looking for them. All right. There's other ways to take this door off, but that's the simpler way. We still got to take some hinges off, but that's all right. We got them. Now, I got these screws here I'm going to take out. So let me put you on pause, and I'll be taking them. That is a number 2 Phillips. All right, here we are again. I just pulled the bottom strip out and the top. There's two number 2 screwdrivers in each position. Now these get a little rusted in, so you might have to redo the woodwork, which we probably will. And then these just pop off. See, there's a lock latch right here, plastic latch. I'll get it from the side. See it right there? That locks around this right here, this edge. All right, so that's that one. I'll put this out of the way. Let's see if I can get this one off without yeah, I'm gonna have to take this latch off. So this is the locking latch for the freezer and refrigerator door. So I'll put you on pause again. All right, here we go. We're gonna pop this bad boy off. There you go. Oh, see, it's got that locking lip right there, and it goes right on here. So we'll make sure they go back. All right, well, folks, it's late at night, and Jeffrey's been working since 7 this morning, so I'm gonna cut this video short. There will be continuation on this video, how to pull a Norcold 912 refrigerator, I think it is. It's in a 2000 Itasca Horizon. What's special about this one is that's a slide there, and a slide here, and slide there. This only came with the slide over here, not that one. They had that put in by HWH. It's really nice. So this opens up. I'm going to lay the refrigerator right down in here after I put some carpet and cardboard down. So once again, this is Jeff from RV Diagnostics to let you know I'm a one-man show. You know what? Facebook page is getting ready to hit 15,000 members, and this is November, like the 10th, 2020. A couple different ways to get a hold of me. One is the RV Diagnostic Facebook page. 2 is the website, www.rvdiagnostics.com. That's a one-on-one with me, helping you troubleshoot, showing you step by step. If you don't know what a meter is or wrenches or anything of that nature, a lot of people have learned. So go to the announcement section on the Facebook page once you join, and you will see a lot of happy members of Team RV Diagnostics. We are a team. We work together. All right. One, you keep me sharp. The other one is the YouTube channel. What do you think the name is? RV Diagnostics. I got a little bit of glare off my glasses, but that's okay. Now, the other place you can get me is Seaford, Delaware. 19973. I have a garage here that can house 2 45-footers, or just one big one, open all the slides up, and we can tear stuff apart. And when you bring your RV to me, if you have time, I will teach you what I'm doing so you know what to do next time. All right. Once again, thank you very much. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics.